Alright, welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a super tasty cheeseburger recipe. Alright, so before we get stuck into it, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for us and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. So now we'll waste no more time, get stuck into these burgers. Alright, so getting the right mince is probably the most important part of this cheeseburger recipe. You want something like beef brisket, sharp or short rib mince, or a combination of all of it. So get hold of your local butcher and see if he can do something up like that for you. You're looking at about that 70 to 30 meat to fat ratio. It's got a nice amount of flavour in there with that ratio. You could probably go to 80-20, but anything leaner than that is potentially going to dry out and you might not have enough flavour in there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start forming our patties. So you want to get your mince, you just want to roll them up into two nice even balls because we're going to make a double cheeseburger today. You want 2 sheets of baking paper, then you want something heavy and round. So I've just got a burger press. You can use a plate or something else that's round and heavy just to press our burgers down and form our patties. So now we'll get stuck into that. So you want to make sure that your patty exceeds your burger bun by about 1 centimetre all the way around. So it's going to account for that shrinkage during the cooking process. You don't want to get a mouthful of bun, you want a nice even patty that fills out your bun. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to fire up our grill. I'm going to use some cherry wood because we're reverse searing our cheeseburgers today. I find you get that nice smoky flavour, and then when you sear it off at the end you get that nice crust on the outside. So that's the way I like to do cheeseburgers, and then I'll show you a burger sauce a bit later on. So we'll do that with our second patty, get our grill fired up. Alright, so our burgers are on the grill. That's going to be running at about 250 Fahrenheit or about 120 degrees Celsius. They're going to catch some smoke for about 20 minutes to half an hour until they colour up nicely. And we're going to bring them out and finish them off with a nice hot sear. So don't get me wrong, I like to eat out at burger joints as well. My 2 favourite here in Adelaide at the moment are Stack's Burger and Barry's Burger. So if you've got a favourite burger restaurant, no matter where you are in the world, I'd love to hear about it. So drop them down in the comments below and give them a nice shout out. Alright, so I thought I'd quickly go through our burger sauce we're going to use while our patties are still smoking away. Really nice, sweet, tangy sauce that goes perfect with burgers. So what we've got here is 2 tablespoons of Kewpie mayonnaise, then we've got 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, and then we've put a splash or about a tablespoon worth of pickle juice. I like to use bread and butter pickles. It's really nice and sweet and help balance the tanginess of the sauce. Then we've got about a teaspoon of finely diced hot chili pickled onions, and then we've put about a teaspoon of finely diced pickles in there as well. So it's really good, well balanced burger sauce. And the buns we're using today is some black and white sesame seed brioche. If you're in Adelaide, South Australia, you'll be able to get hold of them. Just Facebook Dick Buns, look for this logo, and you'll be able to get hold of them by inboxing the page. If you want to have a crack at making some homemade potato buns, then just have a look at this card up here. But for now, these are just about ready, so we're going to set up for a sear and finish them off. Alright, so the patties are ready to get finished off with a sear, so we're just going to transfer them over to some upside down grill grates just to get that nice crust on. I'm going to give them about 1 minute each side, and once we've flipped them over, we're going to put our burger cheese on to melt. So we'll give them 1 minute each side, and then we'll start assembling our burger. Alright, so the burger's done. Now it's time to taste and enjoy. Oh, can't beat a homemade burger like that. But thanks for watching, guys. If you try this, let us know what you think in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.